Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking up dope.
I got on some new shit.
What's going on, Sneak Homies? It's your boy Corey, and I'm bringing you right now unboxing review of something I've been waiting all year for. The date's been pushed around, moved aside, tossed. We've been running amok, led astray. The D's were gonna come out, and they didn't. But they're here. They're here. What do I have? Wait, matter of fact, not even that fast. Not even that fast. Air Jordan 1 High OG TSP. Sail black dark mocha. Size 11. 12 and a half in women. Let's flip that back around. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? We have the iconic Jordan Wings logo. We have the Stitch Mouth Kid of Travis Scott. We have the Cactus Jack of Travis Scott, and we have the Nike Air. So you know Nike got it. They not only in the box, they gotta let you know that hey, Nike Air. Nike Air. I look like Wilson from Home Improvement.
Snakes are clean, low-maintenance pets. Plus, they have a very firm, nutty-tasting flesh.
Okay, throwback. Some of you kids wouldn't understand. Okay, so let's go. Are y'all ready? I'm doing this review now so I can wear these today. I'm trying to kill the streets before everybody else kills the streets. But you know I'm a Jordan 1 collector, fan, lover, Travis Scott supporter. Every concert I'm there, front row and center. So you already know what time it was with me. You know what it was with me. You know what time it was with me. I don't know why y'all acting like y'all didn't know what time it was with your boy Corey. Okay, so let's talk about these shoes. We have the Sail under here. This is like a cream-esque look. It looks like a worn out, a sole from the traditional, from a white. They've been doing that a lot with the sneakers. The Unions, if I'm not mistaken, I have them somewhere in here. They're like this, and a couple others. You have the white upper, you have the black reverse swoosh. The main thing that everybody's been going crazy of, the reverse swoosh. Some people say they hate it, some people say they love it. I think it adds character, and I always appreciate a designer's design. If you appreciate what Virgil did with the off-white, you gotta appreciate what Travis did with the reverse swoosh. It adds something to his own of the sneaker. It gives him his own. He's not doing just conventional, regular Nike swoosh. He wanted to do what he wanted to do. He's a defier of the establishment. So, what other establishment better to defy than a Nike check? Turn that thing backwards. Let me see how it looks. So what you tell him. Okay. So more detail about the sneaker. Sit this way so you can see. The left shoe comes with 4 additional laces. You have the pink that everybody's been crazy over. I'm going to throw the pink in mine. You have the brown. This brown is kind of fire. Now that I see it, the brown is kind of fire. You have the red. Red is my favorite color. I don't know. It's out of the pink and the red. I might do 1 and 1 or, 1 of 1. And then you have a cream-esque looking lace that I guess they wanted to throw in there to look like the bottom of the shoe, or maybe the mocha and the latte. Yeah? No?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, yeah. But yeah, so you have 4 additional laces, so you could mix them up and make them your own. Very creative, just like he did with the Air Force One. He had additional swooshes that you could take off, Velcro, throw it on, put 8 swooshes on there if you got them, whatever. right? You could put the tongue clamps on there, whatever. Yeah, he really didn't do too much with the customization. Let you do it yourself with the customization on the Air Jordan 4 that he did, the Cactus Jack 4. But, I think he's going to, get into his bag and let y'all do your thing, from now on, from here on out. Yeah. With a retail price of $175, these are a definite cop. Everyone was talking about how they're supposed to be over 100,000 plus pairs out, released yesterday, but it doesn't seem like it. It doesn't seem like it. Where other shoes, they go down like a day before in price on the market. They went down a lot. They were at like $2,000 before, like a couple weeks ago, like a month ago. The Monday of, you saw a tremendous drop in price. They dropped from like 2,000 to 700, and everybody thought, oh my God, just get these pairs off. But you steadily, as the date started rolling up, the shoe price started rolling back up. And yesterday on like StockX, the numbers were looking like $900, $1,000, $900,000. Everybody predicted 5 to 7. Predictions weren't right. You experts. I knew it was going to be crazy just because you're bringing two fans together. There are 3 fans, Jordan collectors. Then you have the Jordan 1 fans. Then you have the Travis Scott fans. So it's 3 groups of fans that you're bringing together, and it was chaos. It was, Nike and Jordan fans alone is chaos. You bring in radical Travis Scott fans, then what else you got? I mean, of course. So yeah, more about the shoe. It has a Velcro stash spot. Ooh, yeah, Velcro stash spot. On both shoes, let me go over on the side. I don't even know how deep that is. Where's my ruler? I don't have my ruler, so it looks like it's about 2 inches. Let's store something in there. Hey Cali, store your weed where it's legal. Yeah. So details. You have the stitch mouth kit on the back. The leather quality feels amazing. Is it shattered backboard leather? Yeah, I think so. I think it's shattered backboard. It's along the lines of shattered backboard leather. The mocha is amazing. It feels amazing. The quality on these are A1. You have the Cactus Jack logo on the tongue. Nike Air on the tongue. It's an amazing shoe. Let's get on the inside. It comes with black laces, so that's 5 pairs of laces in total. You have the black laces that comes in them, non-laced up yet, like traditional Jordan 1s. You have that smell. Oh my God, I love the Jordan 1 smell. The inside of the shoe. Can you see the inside of the shoe? Let's see the inside of the shoe. You have the white with the red Nike Air. On the left foot, on the right foot, you have the white with the Cactus Jack logo. Yeah. This is definitely going to be like a shoe of the year. Definitely a shoe of the year. Contender. Who else is contender with them? Who's messing with them? Manufacturing date 11/14/18. Yeah. This is 11/14/18. On the other side, this is 12/27/18. So yeah, contender of shoe of the year. What y'all looking like? Kanye, you gotta come hard, homie. You know, you gotta come with it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. But yeah, this is you'll see a lot of pictures of me on my IG at I Be Everywhere with me wearing these because I'm a Jordan 1 fan, Travis Scott fan. I've been waiting for these like crazy. Didn't get them for I got them for a little bit over retail. I'm not mad about it. I paid stupid amounts of money for sneakers, so it wasn't like a huge deal. For the reverse swooshies, straight up. I mean, yeah, but yeah, Dog Mocha on the bottom. Yeah, yeah. If you could get these shoes for like $700, I'd say get them. $800, I'd say get them. The price might drop down. It's projected to drop down when pairs start coming in off the sneakers app. Oh, yeah, let's talk about the sneakers app. The sneakers app was trash.
You freaking pricks! I've had it! I freaking had it! You guys have officially ruined everything!
7 a.m. Pacific time, they drop, which is 10 a.m. Eastern time. I was on that, I had two phones going. And the app was like glitching. I'm gonna show some pictures of what it said. The app was like bugging, login info, the payment info. I'm like, oh, I got a couple dollars on my card. Don't try to play me. Yeah, it was going crazy for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That's a long time. 30 minutes. So it was going crazy. Yeah, and I bricked on those. Crazy. The line at Undefeated last Sunday was crazy. I'm gonna show you all that. I was out there for all that. So I don't know what the fuck this line is, but it's for something. I hope it's not for the Travis guys. I hope it's not. Look at this. This is around a block. Oh shit. This is for the Travis guys. Oh my fucking god. Yep. This is definitely for the Travis guys. Oh shit. Nah, these sneakers is different. Oh wow. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and buy them a resale because yeah, hold on. Let me flip this. Hold on, there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy these resale because this is not working out. Look at this line. Yo, it literally wraps around a block. Oh nah. So to get these was crazy. It was outrageous. It was preposterous. It was insane. But yeah, so yeah, if you got them, shouts out to you. If you don't got them, shouts out to you. But you might want to get them. Might try to get them when they hit a little low. Because I think I see the shoe staying at after everything said and done at $1,000 to $1,200. That's like the peak point. I think that's where it's gonna stay. You might be able to find them for the I say between $900 to $1,200, depending on size and depending on where you're at. Yeah. So yeah, this is my review of the 2019 Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. You know, it's your boy. Get at me. Bam! There we go.
Maybe I'm the new kid.